Good morning. Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about the technical competency project called as Expense Tracker. Expense Tracker is the simple application that helps people to track of their daily spending. It allows user to add their expenses like food, travel, shopping, and we can check a list of all their expenses and we also check the total amount how they can spend. And this app is built using React.js, which makes it fast and easy to it's a great tool for people who want to manage their money better. It is also useful for society, it helps people save money by showing where they have spent the most, and it also encourages better financial planning and budgeting, encourages for better financial and it is useful for students, families, and anyone who wants to control their money spending, and it can reduce unnecessary expenses and promote money habits. Now I am going to tell what are the main focus areas I have covered in this project. In Firstly, I have project set up with React and npm. In in that, I have used npx create app to the project, and uh, now I am going to set up the development environment using Node.js and npm and in VS Code, and manage the dependencies and scripts via package.json. In React concepts, I have used functional components and hooks such as use states and use effects in and applied props to pass data between components, unidirectional data flow, and applied conditional rendering to handle empty state and dynamic list. In state management, I have managed component level state using use state and maintained update expenses daily dynamically, ensure data immutability, and while adding and removing expenses. In component structure and modular design, I have separated code into modular reusable components add expense form, expense list, expense item, and total expense. Improved, and it is also improved maintainability and code reusability. In responsive UI or UX design, I have used CSS to make layout responsive, and uh, and applied clean, consistent styles to ensure good user experience on all screen sizes. Used a semantic HTML for accessibilities and better SEO. And I have used optional enhancements like theme toggling, user animations, local storage and data persistence, and user icons. These are the development tools I have used this in this expense tracker. First one is about Visual Studio Code as IDE and live testing with npm start. Technologies used in this project are React.js, JavaScript, HTML, Node.js, and NPM and JSX. The learning outcomes of this project is about uh, here we are going to know about what are the learn how to set up and run React project from scratch, and we can understand component based architecture and data flow in a React, and gained hands-on experience with hooks and React life cycle, and applied stateful logic to real-world UI, practicing writing modular and reusable code, and we have improved debugging and problem-solving skills during setup and error handling. Now I am going to show the outcome of this project. First of all, I have to type npm start. This will shows that. Then we have to follow the link, and this is shows as the outcome of our project. Now I am going to enter 100 rupees as amount I have spent for the transport on this day, and here it will show as a graph I have spent 100 rupees as a expense. follows as I have entered 200 as a again transport on this day on that is 26 and it will show as this. Now I have entered 500 20. This will show as this our graph. Now I can also delete this as thank you. This is the our project called expense tracker.